Hi, my name is Usman Zunoraini. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be showing you guys a simple hack on how to start making $50 to $100 every month. No investment required and no experience needed. Alright, if this is your first time seeing me here on my YouTube channel, my name is Usman Zunoraini from digitalusmania.com, and I am an internet marketer, currency and crypto escrow. I make most of my money on the internet, and what I do here is just simple. So anytime I found something that is working for me, I come here and record a video showing you guys what's working for me. So today I will basically exposing a passive way of earning from one of the top online marketing niche, which is called affiliate marketing and CPA marketing. Basically, I know that 95% of you here aren't, or if you are new to online marketing, I know this is not new for you hearing about affiliate marketing or CPA marketing, which you might have gotten some good or bad experience. Don't worry. In today's video, I will be using PartnerStack. In case if you don't know PartnerStack is like an affiliate network that has a bunch of software products, and it is combined of affiliate marketing products and CPA offers as well. So guys, if you are someone that is into the world make money online game, or you have been trying to make money online, you are lucky today. Just go ahead and hit subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel today. Turn on notification bell icon so that whenever I drop a new video or sharing a new method here, like the one I am sharing with you right now, or like the one I am about to share with you right now, which is about PartnerStack, that you are going to get a notification from YouTube saying that, hi, Usman here, or Usman dropped a new video live. Back to business, let's get started. Have you ever thought of the best alternative like to make money online? So in today's video, guys, I will be showing you how to earn $50 to $100 every month, and I will also show you the truth, because I have been earning money with PartnerStack. But let's get started. This is what I have for you guys today. What is PartnerStack? We have said PartnerStack is an affiliate network or CPA network that has a bunch of software products, right? So I will be showing you how to sign up with PartnerStack, because it is very important. Before you start to promote any product on PartnerStack, you have to sign up with PartnerStack. That is the first thing you need to do. After signing up with the PartnerStack, then I will also show you the right offers to promote. But the offers that I choose now that are very awesome, the offer is one is Crudo, two is with Apricot. All these two offers that I want you guys to promote is very simple. All you need to do is to just get people to sign up. So after that, I will also show you how to apply to promote them, because you must apply to promote any product you see on the PartnerStack. But for you to be able to apply, you must sign up with PartnerStack. So don't worry, I will drop all these links below inside the description of this below this video, inside the description section, so that you guys will get all the necessary information that you need. Please follow the instruction and watch this video till the end, so that you won't miss anything and you won't get confused of doing any other thing, because if you don't be careful, your application will be rejected, it will be declined, and I don't want that to happen to you. That is why I take my time and package all these things. So guys, let's get started. Don't worry, like I said before, I'll drop this link inside the description below this video. So guys, let me just wait. Okay, this is PartnerStack. You see, the #1 related partner platform for SaaS, that is for software product. See why software business of every size trusts PartnerStack to drive partnership with you. All this, you see, this. So we are coming here to sign up as if you are using PC, I will advise you to scroll down here. When you scroll down, you click on our partner program. Click on our partner program here. But if you are using phone to do this, then all you need to do is to locate here, right? You click on our partner program, then you click on it. Then after it open like this, after something open like this, you are going to see this. What type of partner are you? So here we are going for referral partners. We are to apply to be a referral partner forget about the solution partner, because let me see, say register this, implement partner stack and receive a commission on sales, submit leads and get rewarded when they become partner stack customer. This is very simple. So this is what we are going for. We are not going to affiliate partners rather. So you click on apply to be a referral partner. Sorry, my network is a little okay. After it's open like this, say partner stack satisfy referral partner application. Like I said before, you must have to apply. You have to apply, and if you don't be careful, your application will be declined. So because all this form you are seeing is very simple, but if you fail to follow the instruction, you will fail. So I have something here with me. So don't worry, say first name, your first name, last name, email, website. Don't worry, if you don't have a website, there's no any problem. I can show you how to fill it. So we have company name, title. Don't worry about the company, you can use any name you like. We have, are you a current client of Partner Stack? Why are you looking to refer leads to Partner Stack? Don't worry, I have all the necessary information here with me. So just stick to this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get more videos on make money online, guys. So you enter your name. So in this case, I'm going to enter my name. Let me say Lewis John. So I'm going to enter my email here. Yes, coach. gmail.com. So I think this is yes, coach. Okay, for the website, don't worry, just go to google.com and search for Ministry of Freedom review, or you search for a traffic policy review. The reason why I'm doing this is to get an affiliate website, since we don't have a website. So I want to use another person's website so that we need any make money online website. A make money online website. Oh, Ministry of Freedom. I wanted to try Ministry of Freedom review. Okay, we need a make money online website. Okay, guys. So, okay, let me click on blog. So, you see, this is make money online website, and this blog is talking about make money. So we are going to use this URL. We are going to, but I advise you to search for your own. Please don't use the same URL. So you enter here. But if you also have a LinkedIn account, all you need to do is to copy your profile LinkedIn account and enter here. But you make sure that you have like up to 200 connection. But if you don't have up to 200 connection, just follow this process. I just follow now. So the company name, let's just use I Income Source. Let's use I Income Source. So this is I Income Source. Who are you today? So okay, let's say owner. So are you a current client of Partner Stack? Say yes. Why are you looking to refer leads? So this is where this site, this form is very, very important. This side, why are you looking to refer leads to Partner Stack? Because they don't want anyhow leads. They don't want you to bring anyhow people. See, I have a lot of things here from application 1 and application form 2. Don't worry, I will drop the link that to my Google Drive this thing, so that you get access to this form as well. But you will just be copy and paste whatever you want. So how are we? Why do you want to join this program? So let's just copy this one. Say, I think that this Amazon software is going to be a good fit for my customers and subscribers, students, blah blah. No, let's just use this one. Where do you plan to share our? Okay, let me check this question. Why are you looking? Okay, let's just go with this one. Let me go with this one. And you can also choose from here. I will be sharing. I will promote. I will be sharing So I will be sharing my links on all social media channels. But just make sure all I need is for don't just copy and paste everything here. Try to be creative, please. Try to make it to be your own. I want you to be creative, and I want to change something here. So sorry, I want to change something here. Say I think that this Awesome should be Awesome platform. Let me say this Awesome platform. This Awesome platform is going to be a good fit for my customers, subscribers, and students to connect to people in their my subscriber students. Okay, let me choose this one. So we need something, say as a network marketer and an affiliate marketer. I have a list of 300 MMO program, MMO, and 700 YouTube channel subscribers, and I will also use social media for promotion. Okay, I want to be creative here, guys. I just want to be creative here. Sorry. This is not what I need. This is not what I need. Okay. Let me use something. So I think that this Awesome platform is going to be a good fit for my subscribers. And as a network marketer and an affiliate marketer, and as let me just say as an affiliate marketer. Sorry. And as an affiliate marketer, I have a list of. Please, you have to be very creative here. Don't use this same form, but just try to be creative. So under this on make money online and over 600 YouTube channel subscriber. I will also use social media for promotion. Information, the father of all social medias. So, sorry, I'm very slow. Sorry. Okay, so I think that this Awesome platform is going to be a good fit for my subscriber, and as an affiliate marketer, I have a list of 2,000 leads. I have a list of 2,000 leads on make money online and over 600 YouTube channel subscriber, and I will be and I will also use social media for promotion, e.g. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Quora etc. to promote. Has to be for promotion. Okay, there is it. Then you now come back and test it here, right? So this is what I did. You fill your name, your second name, your email. Make sure I use the right email, your website, and I have shown you how to go about this website if you don't have a website. Your company name, your title, you a current client or partner staff, you say yes, then you now say next. Click on the next, then we are submitting the form. So they say the partner staff. Okay, complete your partner stack application. The partner stack program uses partner stack to connect and reward partner like you. Complete your application by creating your free partner stack account below. Already use partner stack. Enter your partner stack account email and address. Okay, let me go back to my email. Let me refresh. Okay. See, come here. We are already sent a link. Then after that, you click on that. Then now you have to confirm your email. So go to your email. Say, hey, you have sent it. Say, then verify your email address. Then you click on this, verify Gmail. You wait for this to load. Okay, we are almost done. Remember, we use Lewis. Please make sure you use the same name. Lewis John, right? our password should be, I think you are following me. Okay, our password can be, let me use something like this. Okay, from the password I need to first use capital letter, then small letter, character, then number. See, so you now agree, say agree to the partner stack terms of service, you tick it, then you now continue, click on continue. Boom. You say, hi Lewis, partner stack and other programs you join on partner stack will identify you by your company name. So now use my name as company name. No, before we use high income source, make sure you use the same information, high income source. That is my company name. Then you click on get started. Boom. All you need to do is the same. This means then here again, say describe your business, your website. Don't forget that same website that you copied before, you also use that same website and paste it here. So how do you interact with the end customers? I buy AdWords to advertise to customer. You click on it. I write a blog post. Yes, I have a blog post. Which is this? So yeah, I send referrals to companies I partner with so they can reach out. I resell solutions myself on behalf of the company. I manage my clients and including renewals. So I say order. Let's just leave it like this. Say industry focus. I just choose anything, marketing, advertising. Say who are you selling to? Entrepreneurs. Yeah, I advise you to put everything here. Then you enter. Wow, so this is our partner stack account. But as for now, we are still waiting for. You just click on save here. No, leave it as you say. Click on save. So this is our partner stack account. So the second thing we need to do to promote, guys. So you see, after you might have opened it and created your partner stack account, this is what you're gonna see. And you won't see this account since I have applied to promote a product before, so that is why you are seeing this. If not, you are not going to see something like this. So guys, and if you come to this marketplace, all the programs will be locked. You won't see join program here. All of them will be locked. So, and that is the reason why I listed some offers here for you to start promote, so that you get approval. And once you get approval, you'll be able to promote all these the remaining offers here. So, and even your partner stack account, you will have to wait for them to give you approval for you to start promoting all the product, or let me say the softwares on partner stack. So, and that is why, and for you to do that, you must apply for one product. You understand? You must apply for one product and get approval so that you make one commission. Then after one commission, you'll be able to get access to this marketplace and promote others' product as well, so that you also be waiting for partner stack approval as well. So guys, stick to this, because these are the right offers I highlighted. So, and I want you to sign up on all this with these offers. You understand? So that it will be easier for you to get approval. You understand? Since you are their user, and this is just a trick. I realize about them. So and I want you to be using one email. I want you to use the email you used to sign up on the partner stack to sign up with all these offers as well. So now this is the first offers we are having here, which is with Apricot. In case you don't know, with Apricot is a web-based software for small associations and non-profits to help manage membership, website, events, and others activities. So don't worry. I will post this link under the video inside the description section below this video, so that you can get access. And what I want to do is to pack all these things and host them on my Google Drive, so that you can go to my Google Drive as well for you to get access to this form, this application form, so that everything will be easier for you. You'll just be picking anything you need here as well. So guys, so I've copied the URL of with Apricot. So I want you to sign up first. I want you to sign up as their user. So guys, this video is going to be long. Please stick to this video. So you try now, you see. So I want you to click on try now. Then you open a new tab. So you enter your email address here. So in my own case, this is the email I want to use. So you enter with any preferable password, right? So your name, let me use digital. Organization, let me use high income. Please, sorry, this is going to be, say, organization type. What is your organization type? So you just have to choose anything here that is very closer to what you are doing. Just choose anything here. So you click on Abby and activate your old Apricot account. So they are looking. So let's go this bridge captcha. So you just have to, in your own case, to fill this captcha, sometimes it's very hard. So you just have to be patient and follow it very well. So now, sorry, my service. Wow. So let me save it. So congratulations, you have successfully created your with Apricot trial account. Start setting up your trial. So you click on it. Say the last name. Let me use Hassan. That is my name. So what duties do you perform in your organization? Make sure you do all this. The administration. So your own should depend on what you are doing. Make sure you choose ordain next. And this layout you are seeing, if you are using phone, it will be different with what I'm doing now. So you just have to follow the procedure. Tell us more. University college, type of organization. Hey, what did I even choose earlier? Something I choose. I beg, I don't already confused on what I choose earlier. Please, when you are doing your own, please. Let me choose this one. But when you are doing your own, please, you just have to be extra careful. Please choose something that is your city, your state, city you are. So dates format. Use this. Leave all these ones. Just leave all these ones. So you come here. You still enter the email. Make sure that send to digital money. Make sure that you use the same email, please. The digital. Some access your wall account administrator. So add administrator. Just the new administrator will receive. Just then after that, this email already exists in your account. Oh, sorry. You have to enter, since we are adding administrators, people we are working together with. So since we are adding them, you can think of any email. If you don't have, maybe if you are using a single email, you can think of any email and use it and just go away. Say congratulations, you successfully added another account administrator. Then you next. Make sure that you follow all these procedures. Make sure that you follow all these procedures. Once you just add one administrator to two administrators, you understand? So let me add another administrator. Lock. Sammy. So you just have to be creative. Click on add member, right? Something is added to the list now. Then you now say next. So after that, you just exit. Okay. Let's fill this one. Officer. So I'm just taking my time to do all this. Taking my time to do all this. Create events. So since say next, then so say congratulations, you have completed the trial setup guide. So you see, try and follow all the procedures guide. Then you click on finish. Please try and follow all the procedure. I repeat again, try and follow all the procedures. You get. So this is the tour. If you want to know more about the system, you just have to be click one by one. They will be taking you to each and the layout, the home page, each and every section. So in this case, I want to exit this. So now this is how you gonna sign up with Apricot. Please follow this procedure. After you might have signed up with their free trial, what you need to do, and I want you to be coming here every 2 days, or let me say every week. Or if you anytime you have time, you just become here, log into your with Apricot account, you understand, so that the account will be active, please, so that your commission won't be pending, so that when they are paying people, they should pay you as well. So now I'm still coming back to this other tab. Please make sure that you open 2 tabs just like I did. You can do that with your phone as well. So I just come back. So after I sign up with this try now, with this their free trial, after I sign up, the next thing I will do is to scroll down and locate the partner and affiliate program. You click on the partner and affiliate program, and you also sign up. Then you sign up for their partner and affiliate program. Say become a service partner. So you click on become a service partner. So and you will be redirected to say customer referral program, service partner. Oh, so let's go with the customer referral program. You click on customer referral program, and this is what you're gonna see. So this is what you will see. So they want you to read all this. After you read all this, you click on become a. God, this is not what I'm looking for. This is not. I want to be a with Apricot partner. Please complete this form to apply the with Apricot partner. So guys, so what will happen is this. Let's just forget about this one, but still you need to sign up as use their free trial. After you do that, maybe we'll still come back after you will get let's go to this second one, so that we'll still come back to that. And even if I don't come back to that, you will just go to the I'll walk you through on this marketplace, because these are the products. But since you are a new member to this, you won't be seeing anything like join, it will be locked. So that is why I want you to get started and apply for one program, so that when you make one commission on one program, you get access to promote all the remaining offers here. So let's go with this. Let's choose the Credo. If you don't know Credo is just like Zoom call, just like Zoom conference call that you maybe if you want to talk with your families and friends or your business partners. So Credo will help you to connect with them. And with the Credo, I want you to sign up as well with the Credo, and Credo is paying you $1 as a commission. So I want you to sign up with the Credo, sign up with their free trial here. After you sign up with their free trial, let me open it in another tab. Let me open it. Although I don't want this video to be so long, but I think I just have to navigate. So please, you sign up with their free trial. It's very easy. All you need to do is to just enter your name. Let me say digital, right? So you now come with the email sent to, I think I have email copy. Oh, say send to gmail.com. I think I'm right. So after that, you come up with your password. Right? And you sign up. So you sign up. They are telling me to verify your email account. Then you go to your email account. Just go to your email account and verify it. So in this case, I don't want this video to be so long. Go to your email account, verify it, and proceed with whatever. But this Credo, you need to pay $2. You understand? You need to pay $2 to verify your account. I think so, and I think it's not even up to $2. But you just need to pay the money for you to get this thing to get access to Credo, the full functionality, the full feature of the Credo. So guys, you need to pay, and you need to be hosting a video conference with your referrals as well. So after you sign up with their free trial, all you need to do is to come back here and make sure that with the Credo you are using it. Make sure that you also be using Credo time to time, so that your account will be active as well. So after that, you just scroll down and locate partner program. You click on their partner program. Why is it not clicking? Or is it because I have not verified my email? Maybe it's because I have not verified my email. Okay. I just refresh it, and now you click on partner program. And once you click on partner program, you click on say join the Credo partner program. Earn $1 for every sign up, 30% requiring revenue commission, and you'll be giving 30% of requiring commission. If you don't know the requiring commission, you'll be keep making money 30% of what their customers are paying. So you apply it now. and you will be redirected to your partner stack account. You see, you will be redirected to your partner stack account, and you will feel all this. Okay, this is the most important part, because you need to know how, and this is the reason why I write down all this. So because you need to know how to fill all this, how to apply. This is the first thing I needed to talk about, but the time factor didn't allow me. So I'm going with this. Let me use digital, then, and let me use, in your own case, make sure you use same information. Please use same information in your own case. So let me use send to digital. So how many people are part of your audience? So you come here, this is the file. Don't worry, I'm gonna drop the link for you to get access to the file. So where is the question safe? Sorry. Say how many people are part of your organization. How many people are part of your organization? So let me choose from here. How many people? So let's use 3,000. So you see, this is, I say 3,000 leads and 700 YouTube subscribers. So but in your own case, I want you to be creative. Please try and change all this language. Try and change, and even this number, you can use 2,000, 1,000, 1,500, 700. You just have to be creative, please. Okay, where do you plan to promote? Where do you plan to share your this? Okay, this is what I have. So I said this is what I have. As you can see, I said as a network marketer and affiliate marketer, blah blah. As you can see, this is what I did previous. So you just have to be creative. Use interchange everything. So that is how to apply. Say, why do you want to join this program? Okay, why do you want to join this program? Okay, copy this one. Say, where is your audience located? Said, I think I have talked about this in the previous this thing. Sorry. So, what industry are you? So, what type of partnership are you looking for? What type of partnership are you looking for? Okay. So after you finish all the things, you click on next. So now you are submitting your. So you'll be taken to. Then you now go and confirm the email. You understand? You now go and confirm the email. So since I'm still using another email, that is why it's keep redirecting me. So that is how to apply. So there is one thing I want to talk about again. So please go on and sign up for all these ones. This Sendiblue is very easy to sign up. So I will talk about it right now, because with this one, if you refer people, you'll be giving $5 for this one, and this one you'll be giving a commission when you make sale. Before we are giving $10 for the referral, but it was just for the Christmas offer. So this is AdZuma. Also, you go and read, go to Google and read about AdZuma as well. So let me go to the marketplace. So if you come here like this, once you get approval and you make one commission like this, you'll be eligible to choose any product on this marketplace and promote. So this is the next product that I want you guys to promote, which is Sendiblue. Actually, Sendiblue they are going to give you $5 for promotion. Then you search for once you come here, you search for the name of the software or product. You see, so you get $5 per new account created and $100 per new paying client. So guys, and this Sendiblue is an email software, just like GetResponse, Aweber, and the rest. So it's very just, and the way for you to get approval is very easy. Let me apply. It's very easy. Join. Click on join program. You see, you just have to enter your business name, and I think the business name I used here. Sorry. The business name I used here. Sorry. High income source. So you just come here, type high income source. So you come with the URL. I don't even forget. I even have the site here. Paste in the URL. So you now say you have a blog. So because they say if accepted into the program, where will you promote your affiliate link? Because they don't want you to bring people that they don't need. They don't want to bring in the bad distance. Since it's an email software, so you must have to click this email marketing for you to get approval. You understand? So you now click next. So you now say palm tree. Where the palm tree? So boom. This is how to apply. You see? So now if you click on it, you won't get your referral link because you haven't gotten approval from them. So for this script that I've gotten the approval, so all you need to do is to click on the say get 10 paying. Okay, see, Credo is also good. When you get 10 people to sign up and pay the $2, you understand, you'll be given another extra $100. So it's very good as well, but you just have to do some work. So you scroll down and you get your affiliate link. This is your affiliate link. So in my own case, as I'm using system, if I click on copy here, it will be copied. But in your own case, don't copy this one though. This one will be your affiliate link, I beg. So once you click, you have to, if you are using phone, you have to click on this box. Click on it and you audit, so that just the way you are copying something from your phone, you audit very tight. Once you audit, it will be highlighted, automatically highlighted, and you copy it. So that is how it is. Like this one, it's not, see, if you do highlight all, it's going to highlight all the things that are on the page, and it's not good like that. So all you need is to just click on it, you audit, and it will be highlighted, and you copy your link. That's all. So we still have another one here. We have one password. One password is an application that manages all your passwords, so that you get access to your devices in everywhere you go in this world. You also get access to your device. Please, for the AdZoomer, for you to understand very well, go on the Google or YouTube and search on AdZoomer. AdZoomer allows you to connect your ads accounts like Facebook account, Google account, and this Microsoft account. So once you refer a customer and any customer connects their own account, I think you will be given $5 or $10 as a commission as well. So AdZoomer is very good. So let me search on the AdZoomer. Let me search. So you come here and go to the marketplace. Just go to the marketplace and let me search on AdZoomer. So you see, say you'll be given $30 safe. Say earn $30 for every qualified account connection. All you need to do is to get people to sign up with AdZoomer and connect their ads accounts. And once they connect their ads accounts, you will be given this $30. That's all. That's all they need to do. It's fully integrated with Google, Facebook, and Microsoft Ads. AdZoomer is a free award-winning digital marketing platform that is built to help businesses of any size to gain a competitive advantage. Yeah. So that is how it is. So when you come here, you will see your earning. This is a new account. As you can see, on this account, I only made $1. So, and I have not connected my PayPal account as well. So and I've gotten the approval. You see, so please guys, you can sign up. Just try and sign up. All these links you are seeing here, I'm gonna drop them under the description on this video. And also for this form, because this form you need it when you are applying for all these products here, because most guys keep asking me how can I apply, because when you try to apply with all these products, they are going to ask you some questions. They are going to ask you some question. How are you going to promote our partner program? And if you don't fill all this form correctly, you won't be given access to promote. Because how are you planning to referring people? And everything they will ask you, I have compiled everything here. So whatever question they ask you, you will see it here, guys. So guys, this is the end of this video. And thank you for watching my video. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Digital Usmania, from digitalusmania.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment whatever you think I should like improve about myself or my videos. And if you just comment, good or bad, comment, like, share, please. And also subscribe to this YouTube channel, and because it helped this this channel to rank on the first page, so that many people will also see these videos as well. Please do that. Please do that. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much. Please, guys, don't sleep on this. Don't sleep on this, because I've cashed out money from this program, and I want you to cash out from this program as well. You can also do your research. You can do your review, your research on this partner stack, and I'm very sure you will realize that partner stack is legit and they are paying. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube videos today, and thank you very much. I wish you good luck on this. Bye.